Hey guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a sidebar widget for Facebook. Stay tuned. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a sidebar widget for Facebook to any website you choose. Now, this is a website that I'm actually an administrator of. It's actually for a Boy Scout council. But look right here. This is a sidebar widget for Facebook. Now, you see these a lot on big company websites. And the problem is, and I thought the same thing, I'm like, if they can do it, I can do it. And I thought there's got to be a plugin or something that we could do that would get us this functionality. You would be surprised as to how hard this was to find. But I have figured it out. I have discovered the secret, and I'm going to show you right now the secret. So, I don't know why Facebook makes this hard, but they do. So, I am going to put this link in the video's description because trying to find this is very, very hard. But once you find it, you bookmark it, because you're going to want to use this anytime you want to make a Facebook feed for your website. So you're going to come to this page, and you're going to scroll down. Now, I've already got it set up for the one we were just looking at, but let's go ahead and set one up for my website. Let's go ahead and change this to... So, unfortunately, I couldn't find the page I was going to use, so I'll just show you with this one, and we will go from there. So you enter the page URL, and you get that by going to your Facebook page. Now, it needs to be a page. It cannot be a personal page. It has to be a Facebook page. If you don't know how to set up a Facebook page, I will link you to other resources or whatever you need. Just message me, and I can definitely take care of that for you. Now you're going to want to go ahead and set up the width. This is how wide the widget's going to show, and I actually just set mine to the minimum, 180 pixels. The website I was just showing you actually will rescale whatever is brought into it, so it was just easier to go ahead and do that from the get-go. Height, I left it blank, but the minimum is 70, so we're going to go and make ours the minimum as well. No, we're not. We are going to make ours 100 pixels high, and we are going to use the small header. Sorry, it takes a few tries to get this to where it actually looks somewhat decent, so I think that will look good. Maybe I don't want to fill in the height, and I just want to leave it blank, which I think is what I'm going to go ahead and do. I am going to turn off Show Friends Faces because I think it takes up too much room. And I'm going to go ahead and make this a little wider. So, there we go. So now I have completely redesigned this widget. But this looks all fine and dandy, but how do we get this onto a website? Well, right down here, there's a button that says Get Code. If I click on Get Code, now this was very confusing the first time I ever did this. The first thing you want to do is you want to, come over to iframe. I found iframe works way easier than this JavaScript SDK, but I have done the JavaScript SDK, and it works pretty well. You can use the app ID stuff, but this is all I did. Is I came down here, I copied this first line of code. I then went into the back end of any site. So I'm just going to show you on this website because it's a little easier to show you on here. I'm not actually going to save this because it's already running. And I pasted that in. Then I hit a return, and I copied the second line of code. Once I did that, I hit save. Now, once you save it, it's going to change all this code and become the widget. It was very confusing for me the first time I did this because it wasn't working. It would just show Miami Valley Council BSA, and it was linking to the Facebook page. You need to make sure you copy both pieces of code for this to work properly. So That is how you add a Facebook widget to any website. Like I said, I showed you with this website, but this could easily be done on any Facebook page as long as you know the page handle, so the URL for that page. That is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!